Today, let's learn about how to apply BODMAS rule for fractions. I think all of you are familiar with BODMAS rule. Let's try to apply it to simplify fractions. So I have an expression today. 2 over 5 divided by 10 over 9 of 3 over 8. So you are familiar with of and division, right? We know that according to BODMAS, we should give priority to of then division, isn't it? Right, let's see. Now, I'm going to explain you a mistake that you usually do when you use this BODMAS rule. Let's see. Now, this is the mistake that I'm talking about. 2 over 5 divided by 10 over 9. I know that instead of I can write multiplication. That's what I wrote here, 3 over 8. Isn't it? Right. Now, let's try to simplify this. Now, when you look at this expression, you might see that what we have here is division and multiplication. So, you might think that we should give priority to division, isn't it? We have to simplify it from left to right. So, you might think that we have to convert this division into multiplication. So, you have to take the reciprocal here, 9 over 10 into 3 over 8. And if you write it in this way, you will get a wrong answer, children. That is wrong. That's not the correct way to use BODMAS. Let's simplify it and see. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. What else we have? We don't have anything, right? So 3 into 9 is 27. Over 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 8 is 200. So that is the answer that you will get. So let's check how to do it correctly. Children, this is the correct way. When you use multiplication instead of, remember, though you are using multiplication here, we still have of. We are still simplifying this of. So make sure that you give priority to that by introducing a bracket. So that you are not going to give you priority division, you are going to give it to of. So let's try simplify this. This is what we need to do. BODMAS, brackets first. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So what you have at the end is 2 over 5 divided by 5 over 3 into 4 is 12. Now you can do the division. So take the reciprocal. You can't simplify it further, so you can't cut it further. So it is 2 into 12, which is 24. 5 into 5, which is 25. So your answer is 24 over 25, children. Did you see the difference here? So from here onwards, make sure that you use your BODMAS rule correctly, not like this.